Hi. So actually in this video, I want to talk about how do you take a blog that you've created and convert it into a video. Uh, there are some unbelievable AI tools out there. And what we did in actually one of the other videos was we used a tool like Sonic and created a blog, right? So this is actually one of the blogs that we have created within Everything AI. So what's the application, right? Like now people are consuming content in different ways. You want to take your blog, you want to repurpose it in multiple formats. So what I would do is actually I would try to use a tool like a Steve AI or a Pictory, which I'm just going to walk you through. Convert this blog into video, place it on YouTube, place it on LinkedIn, place it within this blog itself, right? Because you want to improve retention time. And I think you will realize like actually the output is pretty amazing, right? You actually use a tool like Pictory, right? So video creation made easy. It says get started for free. Here's what people are saying. When I check out the pricing for Pictory, it says there's a free trial, but then you're paying essentially $19 a month. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this URL. Okay, as simple as that. And then I place the URL here. It says article to video. It says proceed. I'm going to click proceed. See what it did. It said the feature of content creation is here into AI editing. So it highlights some of these things, right? So you can highlight and say which ones, if you highlight those things kind of get passed on to the scene, right? So runway, shuffle, bling, it's automatically taken the titles, which I think is pretty cool, right? So it has all of these scenes, and I say, okay, next. And then I think from here I get to pick the templates, right? So let's see which templates do we like. This is not bad. I like, as I said, I like yellow. Um, Saturate. Ooh, this is a good one, right? So this is good. Subtitle yellow, subtitle highlight. I'm going to click on saturate, right? I want this for a 16:9. So let's click on that and it should storyboard the whole thing. So the beauty of like what today Pictory or any of these tools can do is it'll storyboard the whole thing. And like you can obviously customize the brands. Like we have done some work with like larger companies. And what ends up happening with larger companies is obviously you have like branding guidelines in place. So you can actually maybe incorporate some of your branding guidelines in these tools and then use them at scale as well. Right. So that's where we are. So it says, okay, please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So we'll wait for a bit. And then once you have the scenes that are ready, you could essentially decide what the scene duration needs to be as well. I say timing. 6 seconds in a specific frame is a lot, so I'm going to maybe make it 3 seconds, and I'm going to say apply to all scenes. Landscape, stick to that, right? You can add you can hide the captions, or you can keep it, and then you can kind of see different scenes as well, right? So I have different scenes. You can click on certain scenes, benefits of using tools. As a content creator, I'm always looking. That's why I'm excited, right? This was written in first person. So I have all these scenes, right? So the cool thing is if you want to see a preview, the estimated video duration is 1 minute 6 seconds. Let's preview this. And now the beauty of this entire video gets created here. Right. So one of the things that the only reason why I would pause this video is actually as soon as you pause it, you can see the storyboard. It says Introduction to AI Video Editing Tools. It actually picks stock video with the relevant keywords, which I think is fantastic. So what you can do here is it showed Munch, right? But you can maybe remove this specific frame and then add Munch as the wallpaper or as the stock image if needed. Or if they have a 3 second clip, you can also add that here. So that's the quick preview of using a tool like Pictory. And I'd love for you to check out Pictory or Steve.ai for your video creation tools.